Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the GOOLOO A7 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product: portable 6,000 ampere jump starter power pack designed to revive completely dead car batteries. Compatible with cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, and up to 10-liter diesel engines. Includes boost function for deeply discharged or fully drained batteries. Reliable emergency performance for roadside use in extreme conditions. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the GOOLOO A7 battery clamps, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, carrying bag, user manual, parts description, light switch, LED display, pressure increase, power switch, blower function, pressure decrease, setting button, inflate, deflate, aerated, output port, USB Type-C input or output port, LED flashlight, 12-volt jump start. How to use: first, connect the connector, then connect the red clamp to the positive and the black to the negative. Don't boost your vehicle when the red light on the clamp is on. Don't repeatedly start the vehicle in short time. If the vehicle can't be started at first time in 3 seconds, please be sure to wait 30 seconds before restarting it. Don't start a huge engine-size car over the suggested max start engine. Don't start your vehicle if the plug is not completely inserted to avoid the clamp melting. Don't start your car if the products are blown up. How to recharge. To charge the unit, use the included USB Type-C cable with a compatible wall charger. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.